Hello children, today we are going to continue with chapter number 4, Word Processor Mail Merge. Previously we have discussed from this chapter the following topics. We have learned what is Mail Merge feature in Word 2016, how to create a Mail Merge document, and how to create a recipient list. Today in this video we will learn how to insert merge fields, how to view the merged data, and how to print the letters. We will also use the following identifications from this chapter. We will learn to see the results. We will use Preview Result button. To move to the next record, we will use Next Record button. After completing our mail merge, we will use Finish and Merge button. And to print the documents, we will use Print Document or Print button. Now open your computer book at page number 38. Here we will learn the steps to insert merge fields on our document. First of all, we need to open MS Word document. Step number 2, create a main document and data source. Step number 3, place the cursor where you want to insert field. Step number 4, click on Mailing tab. Step number 5, click on Insert Merge Field button. Let's see it practically now. Here you can see previously we have made this document in the previous video. Today we will insert the merge fields on our documents. How can we do that? First of all, place your cursor on the position where you want to insert your merge field. For example, I have placed my cursor after dear. Now click on Mailing tab. From Mailing tab under Write and Insert Fields group, click on Insert Merge Field button. After clicking on Insert Merge Field button, you will get Insert Merge Field dialog box. From Insert Merge Field dialog box, we need to click on the fields that we want to insert on our document. Step number 7, click on Insert button. After inserting merge fields, click on Close button. Let's do it practically. Here you can see in Insert Merge Field dialog box, you will get different fields. In the previous video, we have created recipient list where we have taken the field's name, first name, last name and city. So here we will select first name. Click on Insert button. You can see on your document the fields will be inserted. Now select the another field, that is last name. Again click on Insert button. Here you can see the last name field will be inserted on your document. Now again we have to insert the next field, that is city. Now click on city and click on Insert button. Here you can see the field city will also be appear on your document. After inserting merge fields, click on Close button. Now here you can see all the fields that we have inserted will appear in one line. If we want to make them separate or bring them to the new line, we will use Enter key or spacebar key. How we can do that? For example, if I want to bring this first name field in the new line, I will place my cursor before this field. Then press the Enter key from your keyboard. Here you will see the fields will come in the new line. Now again, place your cursor before the field that you want to bring down and press the Enter key. Here you can see now all the fields have been separated. If you want the first name and last name to be appear with a space, then place your cursor between these fields and press spacebar key from your keyboard. Here you can see now the first name and last name are separated. Now look at your book at page number 39. Here we will learn how to view the merged data. To see the merged data, we need to open MS Word. Then step number 2, create a main document and data source. Step number 3, insert merged fields. Step number 4, click on Mailing tab. Step number 5, click on Preview Results button. Step number 6, to see the next record, we need to click on Record button. Let's see it practically now. Here you can see we have created a document and data source, and we have also inserted merged fields. Now we need to view the merged fields. How can we do that? Click on Mailing tab. From Mailing tab, under Preview Results group, click on Preview Results button. Here you can see the first record of your data source list. If you want to see the next record, we will click on Next Record button. Here you can see the change on your document. If you want to see the next record, again we will click on Next Record button. Here you can see all the different records that you have inserted on your document. Now here we will see in MS Word, using Mail Merge feature, we can send this document to multiple people at the same time. Let's see how can we do that. From Mailing tab, under Finish Group, click on Finish and Merge button. After clicking on Finish and Merge button, we need to click on Edit Individual Document. After clicking on Edit Individual Document, you will get Merge to New Document dialog box. You will see by default all radio button will be selected. You have to click on OK button. And here you will see a new document will open on your screen with letters name. And from there you will see all the records that you have entered in data source will be appear on the document individually. Here you can see the first record of Rahul Thakur is on the first document, and on the second page you will get the another record, and on the third page you will get the last record. Now we can print these pages. Let's see how can we do that. Now again look at your book at page number 39. Here we will learn how to print the letters. First of all, open MS Word 2016. Step number 2, create a mail merged document. Step number 3. Click on Finish and Merge button. Step number 4. Select the Print Documents option. Now look at your book at page number 40. Here you will see in step number 6, we need to define desired print settings. Then we need to click on OK and again click on OK button. Let's do it practically now. Here you can see we have created a mail merged document. Now we need to print this document. How can we do that? Click on Mailing tab. From Mailing tab, under Finish Group, click on Finish and Merge button. After clicking on Finish and Merge buttons drop-down arrow, click on Print Document option. After clicking on Print Document option, you will get Merge to Printer dialog box. From there, you need to select the option All, then click on OK. After making required changes, again click on OK. Now again look at your book at page number 40. Here you can see the word 2013 box is given. Here you will learn in Word 2013 we can also create mail merge using Start Mail Merge option from Mailing tab. Till now we have learned how to insert merge field, how to view merged data, and how to print the letters. We have also learned the following identifications. Number 1. To see the result, we have used Preview Result button. To move to the next record, we have used Next Record button. To complete our mail merge, we have used Finish and Merge button. And to print the document, we have used Print Document button. Now revise all the terms, cross questions, step questions till done.